Good morning, Jaden. Good morning. Hi. Are you ready to go to school? Want to get dressed? Tell Mama. I love you. I love you, sweet pea. Hey. You're so good. Did you have a good night? Did you have good dreams? Did you have good dreams? Tell Mama. Tell Mama. Did you dream about bottles and bears and bouncy seats? Yeah? Yeah? Mommy loves you. You ready to get dressed to go to school?